I know you're disappointed, but just the overall thoughts of the campaign overall. What do you guys think?
I don't know. I think that's something that we're going to have to go back and really look at. It's not just obviously just not one thing. There's multiple things that obviously went wrong for us to only win one game. You know what I mean? A lot of things played a part. Obviously, no fans at home games and so on. But we still have to be better.
Yeah, we know you look like you gave more than 100% of a lot of the players. Do you feel like we keep giving 100%, we just not getting it right? More frustrating.
Yeah, I don't think it's no one's not trying.
Yeah.
We are really trying. I think that first half was probably the best we've played in the campaign in terms of football and whatever. We just the final thing that we was missing in the first half, and then yeah, look, I don't know what happened second half. We weren't as good as the first half, and then look, they get a goal. It's 2 games now that we've saved a penalty, and then not long after they go and score. But look, it's both ends of the pitch, and a lot needs to be worked on, and hopefully now we can just get this done and dusted, and then start the Nations League or whatever, and just have a core squad and try and build something now, and not have too many changes and whatnot, and try and build something. I think that's the one thing we missed, was looking at the other teams. I don't think they're better than us, but maybe a bit more together, they've had probably more years together, and you know what I mean, I think that's what we're going to have to do now, is build on the Nations League and then go come next year.
Last question, you talk about consistency. Paul Harlers, how has he been so far? You think going forward?
Yeah, look, he's only had 3 games, and I feel like we've not played badly. At the end of the day, we've gone in front in 2 games and conceded goals that are very avoidable. No one's cut us open or anything. It's just a lack of concentration, and then same again today. I think we'd have been disappointed coming off this game with a draw. But we go and lose. Just a lack of concentration. That's not from the defence. That's from us up front and everything. But I don't think we've put in bad performances.
I have one. Yeah, I just want to know one thing from the campaign that you think maybe going forward is something we should build on.
I think just togetherness. I think we need to keep it, like I said, a core squad, and build something. Obviously, Paul's come in, and you can't change that over how long we've been here, 8 days. It's difficult to try and implement something so quickly. You know what I mean? So we need something to build on now, and I think we've had 3 good performances overall. Obviously, we haven't won a game, so that don't help, but we just need to build on something now and get it right for next time.